Looking for a crib bedding set that brings both comfort and a splash of underwater magic to your baby's nursery? This colorful aquatic-themed microfiber crib bedding set offers just that, combining softness with a playful design that makes your little one's space truly special. I added this set to my baby registry and was thrilled when it arrived as a gift. Living near the beach, the sea-inspired theme fit perfectly with our coastal vibe. The quilt, fitted crib sheet, and crib skirt all feature vibrant sea creatures like a pink octopus, jellyfish with delicate white ric-rac trim, and gold metallic embroidered crowns that add a subtle touch of elegance. The two-toned crib skirt is accented with starfish and bubbles, tying the whole look together beautifully. What really stands out is the microfiber material. It's incredibly soft to the touch, ensuring your baby sleeps comfortably. The fitted crib sheet has elastic all around, providing a secure fit on a standard crib measuring 52 by 28. Plus, everything is machine washable, making cleanup simple for busy parents. The high-resolution digital print brings out vivid colors that won't fade, and the eco-friendly fabric adds peace of mind for families who care about sustainability. This set doesn't just look great, it's built to last through countless naps and playtimes. If you want a nursery that's both cozy and visually captivating, this crib bedding set is worth a look. It's more than just bedding, it's a way to create a soothing, joyful environment where your baby can rest and dream. Ready to add a splash of underwater charm to your baby's room? This microfiber crib bedding set blends softness, style, and practicality seamlessly. Try it when you're ready to give your nursery a fresh, inviting update that both you and your baby will love.